If you're ready for Dirty December, say yeah, yeah. Guys, I'm just excited because it's December. It's my favorite time of the month. It's the giving, the loving, the sharing, the happiness, the joy in the world. December is extra special because it is the day that we humans have chosen to celebrate the birth of the most amazing gift God has ever given to humankind, and I'm talking about Jesus Christ, in case you don't know that, okay? Also, December is very special to me for so many other reasons, among which is my wedding anniversary. December is also very special to me because a lot of amazing things has happened to me in the month of December, okay? And someday I'm going to be sharing all that story, all that gist with you guys. This is actually an unboxing video, but I have other things in this video that I want to share with you, and they're vital information, so keep watching while we get into this. One. Be right back. One more thing. And we are back. Okay, so guys, I got a lot of stuff, okay, and I just want to share with you some of these things. Okay, so these things are very vital to me. They are some of the things I use daily, I use weekly, and also to film. This is the wig stand I bought. Yes, I bought from Wig Essentials in Nigeria. So I'm going to be opening it and showing you guys what's inside. Okay people, so the first thing I just showed you is my mannequin tripod. The one I was using, I've been using for a very long time, is finally karban. Karban means spoiled in Arabic, okay? So I thought it was high time I got another one because this thing right here is my money maker. If you didn't already know, I am a wig maker, a hairstylist in Doha, Qatar, okay? That's just one of the hustle that your girl hustles, if that makes sense. Okay, so here is the Gex GEX mannequin tripod, and I also got a tripod to replace my Franken Barbie. Guys, look at this thing. Look at this ugliness right here. But I love this mannequin head because guys, it has made me a lot of money, okay? Say money. So yes, I got another mannequin head. I'm going to be leaving the link below. Don't forget to check it out if you want it. This mannequin head makes making a wig or styling a wig easy. You know, we're all about the easy lifestyle on this channel, okay? So if you want your wig to be looking fab all the time, or you even want to make wigs, because I'm going to be teaching you as a very soon, I'm going to be teaching you very soon how to make wigs. So you really want to get this baby right here. I got a size 22 for my work, so this is for work. All right, let's move on. Also, I got this, and it is the Raw Moisture Detangler. Guys, under this wig right here is my natural hair, and I take good care of it. I do, well, I try to take good care of it, okay? So maybe one of these days I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my natural hair and maybe style it in front of you. Guys, I love my natural hair, and when I style it, it looks so amazing. It makes me look extra young. Okay, so yeah, these two are used to detangle my hair, and it also serves a dual purpose. It's also I also use it for as a leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is Camille Rose algae renew. Guys, I have never tried this. It's also for natural hair. I have never tried this product right here, okay? I, however, heard very good reviews about it. So I'm going to try it And you know what? Maybe we will do a product review on this baby, but that's not the purpose for today, so off you go. I got quite a number of this, but yeah, I also got my Eco Styler. What is wig life without Eco Styler? Or what is natural hair without Eco Styler? Guys, I've been using this gel, this particular gel, for ages, and I swear by it, it slays and slicks my hair like no man's business. Also, another tip that I want to share using this baby right here is that if you want, you know, to have that I just made my hair look, I don't know about you, I always have it like my face always looks extra bright, extra smooth when I just make my hair. So if that happens for you too, if you want to have that I just made my hair look, okay, this baby right here is a lifesaver. What I usually do with it is whenever I want, even if I want to wear a wig, okay, I use it to slick my hair all the way back, and then I tie a scarf. Guys, my face be popping afterwards, like you would think I just had a sew-in instead of a wig. Okay, so I'm talking too much in this. I'm going to move on to the next item. Right here, I got my favorite concealer. Okay, it's the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Guys, this concealer does wonders for me. Like, I don't use any other concealer. This is the concealer for me. Today is not a product review. It is about unboxing, okay? So yes, I got quite a number. In this pack I have Cool Tan. I got Cool Tan. I also got Toffee. You know, I got different shades. Another thing, if you did not already know that I'm a makeup artist, now you know. I am a makeup artist, and you can check some of my work right here, like here, yeah, right there. So check me out on Instagram at totalglam_, and for hair, check me out at totalglamhairs. Okay, check me out on IG, follow me, and it's also very necessary that you follow this IG pages because it's a necessary requirement for the giveaway that is coming next week. Okay, so yalla, if I were you, I would go follow right now. I also got some, guys, pigments. These babies are magic, like magical. I've been wanting to get these pigments for a while, and I actually have a number of them already, but these shades I do not have. Guys, if you want to get your eye look popping with less stress, pigments is your go-to. Like, these babies right here will just take your eye look from 10 to 100 in no time. I'll be showing you in subsequent uploads this month, December, don't forget. I'll be showing you how to use these babies to really vamp up your look. Okay, so moving on. My favorite foundation in the world. Yes, I got quite a lot of it because I work with it, guys. So in this pack I think I have color 10. Yeah, this is not my shade, it's for a very light person, okay, but I did get a lot of them. My favorite shades in for Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation would be color 14, which is my actual shade, color 13, color 10, and color 9. So these shades, as a makeup artist, works wonders. Sometimes I mix and I match them, but you already know Milani foundation for me is like the bomb jiggity. Okay, if that makes sense. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of research. Before I tell you what this is, I've been doing a lot of research on makeup photography or videography, okay, how to present makeup in the best possible ways for the viewers to really see. And for that to happen, you need lens. So I did some research online, and this girl right here recommended this baby right here, and this is Yongnuo prime lens. It's a cheap cheap alternative to the Canon, or is it Sigma? I don't know what I'm talking about. I will leave it right here. I could not afford that at this moment, so I decided to try this baby out. I cannot wait to, you know, to use this baby to film the makeup looks, the upcoming makeup looks. So guys, watch out for that. I'm sure you will see a difference. So let's open it. Let's even see what it's like, because I have not opened all these items. Like, they just came in the box from Canada, and you know, I just literally didn't open them. Let's see what's inside. Okay guys, this is what this looks like. So maybe in my coming video I will show you guys what this baby does, and maybe talk extensively about it. Here is my Yongnuo f1.8 and 50 millimeters lens. Okay, I also got some what's this called now? I got newer round portable grip collapsible reflectors. This is a bunch of reflectors. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. What? How is this portable, guys? How is this portable? This thing is huge. What? Look at it. It's huge. But hey, maybe I'll use it as a backdrop. What do you think? Anyway, so this is what that looks like. It's supposed to help with makeup photography. Okay, oh sorry, videography. I don't know why I keep saying photography. I will use it as, you know, a photographic tool too, but yeah, this is what this looks like, and it's huge, guys. I don't know if you can see it. What else? This I saw on my friend's channel, and she highly recommended it. Radia Lawa. Please go check her out. She has some amazing content on makeup also, and beauty products. So I'm going to open this. This is actually a mic, lapel mic, which is supposed to help with the quality of the sound of my video. So let's quickly open this and see what's inside. So it comes with a dust bag. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, but oh, and it has 12 months free warranty. Okay, like so. And this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. And let's open. Okay, there's just manual inside, so I'll check it out later. And this is the lapel mic. There's something else inside. Oh guys, I don't know what all this is. I will figure it out later, but here is the lap. Oh, I guess this is the mic. Yeah, I think this is the mic in here. I'll fit it later. And then the adapter. Oh my goodness, this looks complicated already, guys. I'm going to just tell you the truth. I am very bad with gadgets. I do not know how to put all these things together, but I'll figure it out, okay? All right, so let's just put this aside. I got this. Woohoo! These are nails that I got from the China store, not too far away. I hope you guys know there's a China store in Qatar. I'm talking to my Qatar audience right now. If you don't, let me know in the comment section below if you don't know, and I will do a video showing you the amazing things you can find in the China store in Qatar. So yeah, that's that. I got this ones. I don't know if you can notice, I am not wearing any nails right now. I've been wearing a lot of nails recently. And my nails are weak, so I decided to give them a break. However, it's December, it's dirty December. I will not be caught on fresh, okay? So I have decided to get myself some stick-ons that, you know, I will just use them for whatever or whenever I need to go out and remove them afterwards. So look at the amazing colors I got. Like guys, like this is a nice red, This is a nice nude. And this one is my favorite. Can you see the chrome nails in there? Beautiful. I have to move back for this. This is my lighting kit, and it's from okay, how do I do this? Yeah, guys, I don't know how I'm going to show you the name. It's from Newer, guys. Newer. And it's soft box. Wow. I'm just laughing at myself right now because I don't know how I'm going to put these things together, but I would definitely figure it out somehow. Ubeke like me, I don't even know where any of these things go, but thank God for manuals. So with this, I can like figure out how to put it together. I don't know if you can see. This is what is inside. So guys, expect some amazing quality content on this channel very soon. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this aside. Now let's talk about the giveaway, okay? So I already gave you, oh my God. This is actually a mask. I had it on to go pick my son from school. That was midway shooting this video, okay? I didn't even realize I still had it on. So this is me shooting the second part of this video after picking up my son from school and a bowl of spaghetti and yummy Alfredo sauce. I like food. Okay, so yeah, let's talk about the giveaway now. So the giveaway is going to be happening next week. I'm going to be uploading the video next week. And of course, it's my way of saying thank you to all my subscribers. I very much want our family to grow on this channel. Please continue to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to share me out to your family and friends. And I promise to keep bringing amazing content your way every time. All right, so thank you as always. I love you very much. Bye.